Hi everyone. Today we are going to learn about URL and IP address. First topic, web address or URL. A location on a net server is called a website. Each website has a unique address called URL. URL stands for Uniform Resource Locator. For example, www.microsoft.com is the address or URL of Microsoft company. The internet structure of the World Wide Web, in short WWW, is built on a set of rules called Hypertext Transfer Protocol or HTTP. HTTP uses internet address in a special format called a URL. The basic structure of URLs look like type, address, path format, where type specifies type of server, address is the address of the server, path tells the location of file on the server. In this example, HTTP identifies both the protocol and the server. Next component is the name of the server. In this case, right-click .com. Server names have multiple components such as www.com, etc. A web server name will begin with www for World Wide Web. The .com suffix is called a domain indicator, indicates types of domain. Here, .com indicates commercial entity. Non-profit organization is indicated using the suffix .org. And educational institutions such as schools, colleges, etc. are indicated using .edu. The naming scheme by which servers are identified is called Domain Name System, in short DNS. Next topic, IP address. An Internet Protocol address is a numerical label assigned to each device connected to a computer network. IP address is a unique numerical label as a string of numbers separated by dots used to identify a device on the network. For example, 192.168.1.1 is an IP address. Similarly, 69.89.31.226 is also an IP address. IP addresses are commonly written in dotted decimal form, but computers internally convert them into binary. There are two primary types of IP address formats used today, IPv4 and IPv6. Let's discuss one by one. First one, IPv4 or Internet Protocol version 4. IPv4 is the most widely deployed Internet protocol. IPv4 uses a 32-bit address scheme allowing a total of 2^32 addresses. With the growth of the Internet, it is expected that the number of unused IPv4 address will eventually run out, because every system or devices including computers and smartphones that connects to the Internet requires an address. Next, IPv6. IPv6 is a new Internet addressing system, Internet Protocol version 6. IPv6 is being deployed to fulfill the need for more Internet addresses. IPv6 utilizes 128-bit Internet address. Therefore, it can support 2^128 Internet addresses. In other words, there are more than enough IPv6 addresses to keep Internet operational for a very long time. Next, IPv4 versus IPv6. IPv4 address has this format, where X is called an octet and must be a decimal value between 0 and 255. Octets separated by periods. An IPv4 address must contain 4 octets and 3 periods. An IPv6 address have two formats. First one, normal or pure IPv6 format. Second one, dual or IPv6 plus IPv4 format. A normal IPv6 address has this format, where y is called segment and can be any hexadecimal value between 0 and FFFF. The segments are separated by colons, not periods. A normal IPv6 address have 8 segments. IPv6 dual address. IPv6 dual address combines an IPv6 and IPv4 addresses and has this format. The IPv6 portion indicated using letter Y and the IPv4 portion is indicated using X. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. Bye.